back to my channel. So this is a look that Katrina Kaif wore on her new song Suraiyya. I am not a big fan of Katrina, but she looks amazing in that video, so I thought I'll recreate that look for you guys because I was absolutely stunned by her look. It's hard to really see how her makeup is done. I had only few pictures I could go from, so I did the best I could. There's only few pictures of her from that song, and the video you can barely see it because it's not a close-up. By the way, you guys, this is not henna. I'm not a big fan of henna. I like it for the first 2 days and then I'm just like, get it off me. This is actually liquid lipstick that I put on my hands. I can't believe it actually pulled off so well. All messy, but this is the liquid lipstick I used. It's the Revolution lipstick. Oh my god, what is the shade? It doesn't have a shade. I have the box and I have the lip liner, so I'll link it down below. Also, you guys, this is how the shirt looks, the top looks, and I borrowed this from my sister-in-law. This is actually the back of the shirt. The front looks different. I'm not even gonna bother showing that. So there was no beading, nothing on there. I just kind of stitched this necklace onto the shirt to make it seem like it's actually part of the top, but it's really not. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. You guys, I signed up with this company called Octoly, so they have to kind of review your Instagram and YouTube and see if you actually qualify. So I did qualify. So what I would have to do is email the companies to see if they would give me their products, and return all I would have to do is review it either on my YouTube or on my Instagram. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just getting a free product from them. That's all it is. So I'm not gonna be lying to you guys about the products. I haven't gotten anything. I haven't really requested any other products. I only requested one product that I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So this is the product that I requested and I got it. It's from Laneige, and this is the Water Bang Moisture Cream. It's a hydrating cream for normal to dry skin. It comes within this kind of jar, and it comes with this little spoolie so you don't get any germs in there. So I just go in and grab a little of this. So I've been using this for 3 weeks now, you guys, and look at how much I have only used. I have only used this much of it, and I've been using it religiously. I use it mostly at night because it can get a little oily in the daytime if your skin is already oily. I tend to be a little oily, so I only use it on days where I haven't gotten enough sleep and I'm super tired. So it gives me more hydration and it makes my skin look a lot more alive and fresh. This kind of reminds me of the Glam Glow Blue sleeping mask. I love that one. I always use that when I am super tired and I know I'm not gonna get enough sleep. I would use that. I would sleep with that and I would wake up the next morning feeling fresh. My skin would look amazing, and this one does the same exact thing as the Glam Glow. So guys, give it a try. I really do like it. I'm not just saying that because they send me this product. I could say whatever I want. I already have the product. There's no reason for me to lie. So yeah, give it a try. I really do like this product. So I'm starting off with my Wet n Wild primer, and as usual, I'm just gonna apply that all over my face using my hands. Now I'm taking Becca's liquid highlighter and I'm just applying that pretty much on the highest points of my face, so my cheeks, my forehead, and also on the bridge of my nose. I like to apply it on my chin and Cupid's bow as well. And with my damp beauty blender, I'm gonna just blend this out. This is gonna give us that beautiful glowy glossy skin that Katrina Kaif has in her video. So you guys, this is my new favorite foundation. I'm using the Shiseido's foundation. This is a very light foundation. It's very runny, but it has an amazing coverage. I have been using this for the past 3 months. It also has a 30 SPF in it. So it's very light, but it covers amazing and it never ever gets cakey on me. For concealer today, I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. I love this concealer. It's not very thick, but it gives you an amazing coverage. So I'm pretty much just using that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and around my mouth because I have a little discoloration there. So just blend this out using your beauty blender. And I don't know why I'm going so hard right now, so please be gentle, especially around your eyes. But I think I was just trying to do this video as fast as I could. That's why I'm going a little hard, but please don't be that harsh around your eyes. Now for setting powder, I'm using Kat Von D setting powder. You guys, this powder is amazing. It brightens your under eyes so much better than any other setting powders I have used. It's even better than the Laura Mercier's setting powder. Now, as always, I'm using my Soft Ochre eyeshadow primer all over my lids. And for eyeshadow palette, I'm using Morphe's 35F palette today. And I'm picking up that light peachy shade and I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid. Now with a blending brush, I'm picking up that lighter brown and I'm focusing this onto my crease. So apply it on the outer corner of your eye and then bring it all the way to your crease and into your inner corners. Now with a pencil brush, I'm picking up the darkest matte brown shade from the palette and I'm focusing this shade onto the outer corner of my eye. So pretty much do a little V on the outer corner and then using another blending brush, I'm gonna blend it out. Now with another pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up the dark black from the palette and I'm applying a very tiny bit of this onto the outer corner of my eye and then using another blending brush, I'm gonna blend this out. Now I'm picking up that dark brown shade again and I'm gonna try to deepen my crease using that shade. So just try to focus the shade onto your crease. And then using a bigger blending brush, I'm gonna blend this eyeshadow out as much as I can. And now with my finger, I'm gonna pick up that light gold shade from the palette. These shimmery shades from these palettes are so much easier to apply with your fingers rather than the brushes. They come out a lot more pigmented when you're using your fingers. Now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay's 24/7 black liner and I'm gonna apply this starting from the midsection of my eye and going out. We're gonna use this like a little wing. So once we apply that, we're gonna take a pencil brush and try to blend this out as much as we can. With a flat brush, I'm picking up that dark shade and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. So don't follow your eye shape for the inner corner, just do a straight line so you have a little gap, and then for the rest of it, follow your own eye shape. And with a pencil brush, I'm picking up that darker brown shade again and I'm gonna use that to blend out the black shade. Now with a detail brush, I'm picking up that champagne shade and I'm applying that onto that little gap we created and onto the inner corners of my eye. So when you're trying to apply it onto the inner corners, start from the inside of your inner corners and kind of drag it out. I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna brush away all the excess powder that's still on our skin. And for my brows today, I'm using Maybelline's tattoo studio. This is not my favorite thing. This is literally my second time trying this out. It's kind of tricky to apply. You kind of have to hold it in a certain position, but it does give you a really nice natural look. So it's nice, but you just have to get used to applying it. To sharpen and clean my eyebrows, as always, I'm gonna be using my MAC's concealer. You can literally use any concealer you want. I just love using this concealer. And for bronzer today, I'm using Too Faced Sun Bunny, and Katrina's face is really bronzed on this video, so I'm going a little extra on the bronzer today. So I applied a little on my forehead, and I applied a lot on my jawline because I have a little double chin, and of course carve out your cheek bones. So if you hold your brush between your fingers, it kind of gives you a really nice precise line. So do that. And you guys have seen me do my nose contouring 100 times, so I really don't need to explain what I'm doing here. So if you want to know how to contour your nose, you can watch my other videos. And for blush today, I'm using Milani's Baked Blush and Berry Amore. This is a very soft and subtle pinky shade. With a clean brush, I'm gonna blend the blush and the bronzer a little more. This just gives your face a lot softer and smoother look. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite highlighter by Becca and the shade Opal. This is an amazing highlighter, you guys. It's very soft, and look at that glossy look. Oh my god, I love. So apply it on your cheekbones, your forehead, of course, apply it a little on your temples, and I always like to apply it on my chin and my cupid's bow as well. And of course you have to apply it on the bridge of the nose. And for lips today, I'm first gonna outline and fill in my lips using the MAC's Oak lip liner. It's really hard to tell what Katrina Kaif's lipstick shade is in that video, but this is the closest I could come to the pictures. I'm sorry guys, for lipstick I'm using Nicki's Nude. This was a limited edition, so I'm sure MAC has other shades that are close to this lipstick, so I pretty much just topped off the lip liner with that lipstick. Some things never change, so I'm using the Balm Cosmetics mascara in What's Your Type again. You guys, I have been using this for the past like 3-4 years, and I haven't found anything better. So if you have any suggestions, let me know, but I have tried other things. I just always come back to this. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. I actually wear this look out except the nose chain and also like this little black line right here. I don't really like that. So other than that, I really love the brown smoky eye. It's very wearable. You can wear it to a night party, like a dinner, I don't know, wherever you want to go. It's not really a crazy look. You can really pull it off anywhere. So yeah, I really love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video come together. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, which is Makeupbyroya. Also on Twitter, and that's also Makeupbyroya. Love you guys. Bye.